Hello everyone, welcome back. Happy Diwali. Today's video is Diwali decoration. So let's begin. For this string light decoration, we need string light, color, brush and plastic balls and an X-Acto knife. Cut the ball where you want to insert the light bulb. Draw smiley face on your ball using black paint. Then just insert the bulb in the ball. So the smiley string light is ready. For this one, we need CD, diyas, pom-pom, a glass and Fevicryl 3D neon outliner and glue. Create your design using the Fevicryl outliner. First I'm adding the glass on the CD with some glue, then the diyas around it. After that I'm adding the pom-poms between the diyas with some glue. I poured some paraffin wax in the glass. You can use any tea light. Again a string light. For this one we need string light and diyas and sellotape. Add the string light in the area where we usually put the wick. Add sellotape and that's all. For our next DIY, we need stitching frame, pom-pom lace, diyas, hot glue gun, thread and needle. Take the inner part of the stitching frame, then add the pom-pom lace around it with hot glue. After this, add the diyas like this with hot glue. To hang this frame, I am adding pom-pom lace in these 4 areas. Stitch those laces. And our final DIY is ready. If you enjoyed this video, then subscribe to my channel, like this video and share. Watch my another video on Diwali decoration. Have a safe and happy Diwali. Bye.